Hello friends. Today we are going to study one of the most important institutions of Indian democracy, that is the Parliament of India. Parliament is the supreme legislative body of our country. It represents the will of the people and plays a key role in lawmaking, governance, and democratic control over the executive. Origin of Indian Parliament. The precursor of the Indian Parliament was the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly was responsible for framing the Constitution of India. After the Constitution came into force on 26th January 1950, the Constituent Assembly transformed into the first Parliament of independent India. Constitutional provision. Article 79. Article 79 of the Indian Constitution provides for the Parliament. According to this article, there shall be a Parliament for the Union consisting of the President of India, the Council of States, also known as the Rajya Sabha. The House of the People is also known as the Lok Sabha. Thus, the President is an integral part of the Parliament. Bicameral legislature. India follows a bicameral system of legislature, which means the Parliament has two houses. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house, while the Lok Sabha is the lower house. This system ensures better representation, detailed discussion, and careful lawmaking. Members of Parliament, MPs. Those who are elected or nominated to either House of Parliament are known as the Members of Parliament or MPs. MPs represent the people and their interests at the national level. They participate in debates, discussions, and decision-making processes in the Parliament. Election to Lok Sabha. Members of the Lok Sabha was directly elected by the people of India. The country is divided into territorial constituencies and citizens vote to elect their representatives. This makes the Lok Sabha the two representatives of the people's will. Election to Rajya Sabha. Members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the members of the state legislative assemblies. The election is conducted in accordance with the system of proportional representation. This ensures representation of states and political parties in proportion to their strength. Meaning of Parliament. The word Parliament is derived from the French word parler. The term means to discuss or to talk, which highlights the primary function of Parliament as a forum for discussion, debate, and deliberation on national issues. Functions of Parliament. The most important function of Parliament is lawmaking or legislation. Parliament makes laws for development of the country and the welfare of society. Second important function is control over the executive. Through questions, debates, and motions, Parliament ensures that the government is accountable to the people. Sansad Bhavan. The two houses of the Indian Parliament meet in separate chambers of Sansad Bhavan. Sansad Bhavan is located on Sansad Marg, also known as the Parliament Street in New Delhi. It serves as the central place for parliamentary proceedings. Design and inauguration. The Parliament House was designed by renowned British architects Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. It was officially opened on 18th January 1927 by the then Governor General of India, Lord Irwin. The building stands as an important symbol of India's legislative history. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's new Parliament building, a key component of the Central Vista project, on 28 May 2023, designed by architect Bimal Patel. The triangular 64,500 square meter structure symbolizes a self-reliant India, featuring a Lok Sabha 888 seats peacock theme and Rajya Sabha 384 seats lotus theme to accommodate future growth. To conclude, the Parliament of India is the foundation of Indian democracy. It reflects the voice of the people, makes laws, and ensures responsible governance. Understanding Parliament helps us appreciate how democratic institutions function in our country. Okay, thank you.